And the rough blue Phoenix Matadora moving up at the center. Then comes Wild Storm, followed over on the outside by My Wife. Doesn't Know by the Rail Red Indy. Damong Ligaw also in there. Then next in line, Shine Again, and trailing the group is Positive Side. As they race towards the 900 meters post, Matadora in command by Alnek. Running now in second is entry number 3, Damong Ligaw. My Wife Doesn't Know is sorry outside. Red Indy racing in fourth, moving up Wild Storm as they race towards the last 600. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. My Wife Doesn't Know takes the lead from the outside. Damong Ligaw by the Real Matadora shuffle back in third, and Wild Storm as they race to the final corner. Two runners keep on fighting it out for the lead. My Wife Doesn't Know running on the outside, running by the rail, Damong Ligaw. Then comes Wild Storm, Matadora, and Red Indy. And down the stretch they come. Damong Ligaw by about a length and a half now, followed by My Wife Doesn't Know. With 75 meters, it's all Damong Ligaw. My Wife Doesn't Know. Wild Storm, Shine Again, Positive Side for your Pentafecta.
37482.
37482. Unofficial order of